one, not number two. If I'm not the one, I'm uncomfortable. See the competition I've been running through. Leveled up, I only see him in my rear view. Switch, yeah, I'm ballin', yeah, I'm ballin', been ballin'. Switch, yeah, I'm ballin', yeah, I'm ballin', been ballin'.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to Off-Road Diaries. If you're new to the channel, this is baby Miles here. That's Jonathan over there, and he's a little broken. He ran into a trailer last night, so he done jacked himself up. But we brought baby Miles out for a little ride to the spider tree. This tree used to be one piece, and then it got struck by lightning last year. So now it's in two pieces. This is baby Miles' first official time to Little Sahara. That's where we're at, Little Sahara in Utah. Look at this. We're gonna get a little picture, guys. I do want to give a shout out to R1 Industries. They took care of us and got the suspension on Riley, oh my gosh, flashback. Patty Mayo. They got the suspension fixed on Patty Mayo because this sand right now is garbage, but it felt actually pretty darn good considering how choppy this sand is. So, say hi. Say hi. Baby Miles just living his best life. He's been having such a good time in his little mini Can-Am. And then we got in a big boy car, going for a ride. Having so much fun. Today is a beautiful day. The sun is shining. And the skies are blue. Much better than the last 2 days. That's for sure. So, we're just hanging out at the spider tree. We got bunch of people here, and for everyone that is OG followers, the OG Off-Road Diaries family, we got a little surprise for you guys, so make sure you stick around because we're gonna show you something that you've been asking for, Yeah, we are.
Story time, guys. So I left y'all on a cliffhanger because we were going to find Patrick last night.
I wouldn't leave it in there overnight, it might freeze.
Yeah.
It's gonna be 28 degrees. So I said it might freeze. Get out of here.
Yeah, the reservoir's empty, so yep, she blew it all out. Oh. He did survive. Cover your kids' ears, but I'm gonna tell you how they got back. They ended up, it's really funny, so I'm trying to tell you guys without making it like messed up. But they didn't have any water. We were trying to find them to give them water so Patrick could put it back in his car. They found the leak, they fixed it. Well, the problem was they had no water. So they took a bottle and they peed in it. A bunch of them did. And they literally drove the car back with pee in the coolant system. So yeah, guys, in case you were wondering, Patrick, and apple juice. Y'all old school subscribers know what apple juice is. The rest of you can figure it out, but I couldn't believe they freaking did that. I thought they were joking, but they were serious. So there you go, there's your update. We made it to the bottom of the hill. I've tried to organize a little bit of a fun ride for a group of friends. This is the first full circle I think we'll get the chance to make out here since we've been out here, just because the weather has just been, well, it's been weather, and weather It's good sometimes and bad sometimes, but today it was great. Yesterday it was not so great. So we're probably gonna have about 20 or 30 of us that are gonna come along for the ride, and I'm hoping whoever comes, it's gonna be fun regardless. We met these cool subscribers. That's Barry and his wife. They're super nice people. Thanks for watching, guys. We appreciate it. I'm excited. It's such a beautiful day. This is the attire for the day. Flip-flops, shorts, hoodie, and a beanie. Perfect.
Okay, guys, we got a whole slew of people. Met some fun guys, people. Met some fun people. We're gonna go ride now. It's time to go ride. This guy. See if he goes one more time. Send it. Oh, nice. Nice. That was good. Look at all these cars. We're just gonna hang out over here at the jump. I got that one.
You know, just get it out of my system.
I know. I was expecting it, so.
I am number one, not number two. If I'm not the one, I'm uncomfortable. See the competition I've been running through. Leveled up, I only see him in my rear view. Yeah, I'm ballin', yeah, I'm ballin', been ballin'. Yeah, I'm ballin', yeah, I'm ballin', been ballin'. I'm winning, get buckets from the court side to the nosebleeds, yeah, they love it. I'm winning, get buckets from the first in and the last out, see me coming. First take, I'm hotter than hot, hotter than some boiling water, I bubble the pot. Team full of ballers, baby, we winning a lot. I'm like Curry with the rock when I get to my spot. I'm tapping in, I'm passionate, this is what passion is. This here, nah, this is no accident. From the start to the finish, I'm cashing in. I am number one, not number two. If I'm not the one, I'm uncomfortable. See the competition I've been running through. Leveled up, I only see him in my rear view.
Yeah. Woo! You know when that guy is crawling up this hill to go to the backside, that there's something going on. Meanwhile, Will's over there still trying to not get arrested. I don't think Will would do good in jail. So let's root for him to get out of this ticket.